Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover your password if you've forgotten your password for your Binance account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up a web browser and in the search box at the top type in Binance.com and enter. As soon as you reach the home page of Binance, which looks like this, click on the login link at the top right hand. This will bring up your login area on the display. Enter your email address in the first text box, or you can also go and click on your mobile tab at the top and type in your mobile number. After you do that, head over to the password field. If you remember your password during the process, type it in. But if you don't, click on the Forgot Password link right beneath the login button. Now, if you continue to reset your password, it says that the withdrawals, P2P sellings, and payment service will be disabled for 24 hours after you make this change to protect your account. Click on Continue if you are sure you would like to move on. Type in your email address, or you can also type in your mobile number in the next page. This is to verify that it is you who's trying to change your password right now. After you type in your credential, click Next. Complete the puzzle piece in the pop-up. Now, an email has been sent to you with a verification code in it. Simply open up your email in a new tab. You'll receive an inbox from Binance. Click it open and copy the code. Come back to this page and type in the code that has been sent to you. Now you'll get to choose a new password for your account. Simply go ahead and type in the new password that you'd like to reset to. Now head over to the next field and type in the new password one more time just to confirm that you are typing it correct. And finally, click on the next button. Soon after you do that, your account's password will be changed. Click on Login and this time, go ahead and enter the new password for your account while logging in. That is how you'll be able to recover your password to a new one in case you've forgotten your password during logging into your account. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.